Video. Adding video. It's the buzzword that's going around lately. What do I put on video? How do I use video in my marketing? Hi, my name is Brad Baldwin with Eisenhower Coaching and Consulting, and I want to shoot this video today. I said video, yes, because video is where it's at. There's more and more people out there shooting video, and if you study it on YouTube, if you study it on Instagram, Facebook, the interaction that we have on video, it's a lot different than what we used to have.
If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. By doing that, we'll make sure that we release free content week after week. If there's a particular topic that you want us to talk about, just comment below on this channel and we'll make sure that we make a video of it.
And a lot of people are like, well, I don't want to shoot video. I'm not comfortable in front of the camera. And I have two words for you. So what? Okay? Just shoot a video. It's not a big deal. You can create a script in about 30 seconds. Just take out your iPhone and make a quick video. Maybe you've seen something interesting you're walking around town and maybe a new landmark. Shoot a video. You're the real estate agent. You should know about your market. Hey, maybe you're at your client event, right? Look at all these people having fun on video. That's proof in the pudding right there. All right, you're shooting a video that looks at all your clients having a great time at their client event. They're playing games and they're eating food, they're interacting with one another. People want to see that. 9 times out of 10 in today's age, they are watching a short 2 to 3 minute video than reading a long article. If you need help with shooting video, we have an awesome vendor that we're partnered with called BombBomb. And BombBomb can actually do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. They can actually put it into an email template, tell you how to shoot video, give you tips, and put video into your world and into your database contact management plan. And you know what? You don't have to have all kinds of fancy equipment. You don't need lighting, you don't need microphones, anything like that. Just next time when you're walking down the street and you see something cool, take out your phone and shoot a quick video of it. And it's something that is free, okay? You don't need money to do this. Next time you're scrolling through your Facebook feed, think about, hey, how many videos you click on versus reading those long posts. You'll see the difference. Video is where it's at. Here at Eisenhower Coaching and Consulting, we also work with a vendor called Viral Marketing. And Viral Marketing is one of those companies that we love more than anything. It actually, all we have to do is shoot 2 to 3 minutes of video and they do everything for you. They put it on your social media account. They make the email templates for you. They even put your database together for you. There's all kinds of different ways that we can put video into your world. The thing is just do something. If you need help held accountable to doing that, click on our coaching tab and get with one of our one-on-one coaches to show how we can put technology and video into your world, making you more money in less amount of time. Until next week, live fierce.